Welcome, scientists. It's Gisa from Butterfly Garden. Today, I want to talk to you about an animal that is a bit unusual. I became fascinated by this animal when I was in Vancouver and Alaska. Last winter, we went north of San Francisco along the coast, and I also saw this animal, and I'll show you some pictures of the banana slug, which is what I'm going to talk about today. So near Muir Woods is where we saw the banana slug. They're very fascinating little creatures. So I'm going to read you a story that tells you a little bit more about the banana slug. 7 things you absolutely have to know about banana slugs, written by Jarad Petroske. You're about to become a banana slug expert. You'll learn how these slugs use their slime to climb up walls and how that same slime can help them glide over sticks and stones on the forest floor. You'll also learn what banana slugs eat, where they live, and why you might think twice before kissing one. Ready? Let's begin. The forest is home to many creatures, and one of the most interesting, slimiest you'll ever meet is the banana slug of the Pacific coast of North America. One look and it's clear why they're named after the delicious yellow fruit. While most are yellow with brown spots, banana slugs can also be completely brown and even green. You might have guessed that banana slugs are sort of gross. And you're right. They secrete ooze, they eat rotting mushrooms, and they have their stomach in their foot. Banana slugs are part of the gastropod class of animals, and they count among their cousins other snails and slugs of both underwater and land-dwelling varieties. Gastropod means stomach foot in Latin. That makes sense because a banana slug's mouth is also part of its single muscular foot. Where can you find banana slugs? Well, conditions need to be just right for banana slugs to thrive. Imagine tall pine, bay, oak, and redwood trees with lots of fern and huckleberry bushes below. Last season's evergreen needles collect in the nooks and crannies between the tree roots that give shelter to banana slugs as they hide under an umbrella of tiny sorrel leaves. When you add all these incredible forest ingredients together, you have a banana slug's favorite place to live. Banana slugs live as far south as the Salinas Valley of Central California and on the coasts of Oregon, Washington, British Columbia, and even southeastern Alaska. These are all the places where the climate stays cool and humid. The many trees, bushes, and plants provide plenty of shade and cover for banana slugs. A banana slug would be right at home in the brown and green surroundings of the redwood forest. What's special about a banana slug's body? How do you breathe? With your nose and your lungs. Banana slugs have lungs too and breathe through something called a pneumostome. That's a bit like your nostrils. Can you see the shiny skin on this banana slug? It's shiny because of a special layer of mucus slugs make around their body to stay hydrated and help them breathe. Banana slugs are pretty slow movers. They can travel 17 centimeters in 1 minute. You can easily run 1,000 times faster than a banana slug. Like all slugs, banana slugs use tentacles to see and to do something that's kind of like smelling. Eye stalks detect light and movement, while the smaller pair of tentacles detect scents to help banana slugs find food, detect predators, or find other slugs. Munch, munch, munch. How do you eat? With strong teeth. But banana slugs use hundreds of tiny teeth called denticles in an organ called the radula. With the radula, banana slugs grind up the food they eat. But what are those foods? Do you like to eat fruits and vegetables? So do banana slugs. But there are many things banana slugs will eat that you probably wouldn't. Banana slugs like to eat dead plant matter, moss, mushrooms, even animal droppings. Ew! We call animals who eat like this detritivores. Everything in the forest is connected. After a banana slug is done eating, they leave behind a nutrient-rich excretion that helps return nutrients to the next generation of life in the forest. Because they travel, albeit slowly, banana slugs help spread fungus spores and plant seeds, and that helps many of the plant and fungi species find new places to grow in the forest. When do they eat? You might say a banana slug's favorite meal is dinner. Most of the time, the slugs prefer to do their eating at night because it's too hot during the day to stay hydrated. If the habitat is shady enough, like deep in the gullies of the redwood forest, banana slugs will snack all day long. A banana slug uses its radula to grind up and eat wild ginger. Do you see its open pneuma stone? Could these mushrooms be the next snack for a hungry banana slug? Who eats banana slugs? Do you think a banana slug would be good to eat? If you are a raccoon or a giant Pacific salamander, then yes. These species, along with birds, snakes, and even shrews and moles, will eat banana slugs. Clever animals like raccoons will coat the slugs in leaves and dirt on the forest floor to avoid eating the slug's sticky slime. Once again, banana slugs have amazing habits when it comes to reproduction. For starters, banana slugs are hermaphrodites, and that means each slug has both male and female reproductive organs. A banana slug can make its own fertilized egg, but mostly prefer to find another slug to lay eggs with. This slug could reproduce all by itself, but they usually choose to look for a mate. Banana slugs will circle each other as they prepare to mate. Adult banana slugs lay their eggs up to 20 at a time in a safe place and then leave. They don't wait around to raise their young. When young banana slugs hatch, they are born ready to take on the world. When the temperature is too high and there's not enough moisture in the environment, a banana slug does something called estivation. In order to survive the dry conditions, the banana slug will bury itself in the forest floor and cover itself in a thick layer of mucus to retain moisture. It will rest until the weather changes and it can once again be active. Next time you want to sleep in late, tell your parents you're conserving energy with estivation, and you'll get up once the conditions are right. A banana slug faces many challenges in nature. Its body is mostly made up of water, so it can't get too hot or too dry. They don't have feet, just one big muscular foot. So moving over sticks and rocks can be hard. Sometimes their favorite food is up a tree, so they have to climb many times their own height to reach it. How does a banana slug meet these challenges? With incredible slug slime. Banana slug slime is truly one of nature's miracles. The slime is a special mucus that's much like the mucus your body makes. Cells in the banana slug's body, called goblet cells, create tiny granules of mucus that pop open and absorb up to 100 times the granules' volumes in water. A slug can actually attract water to its body using its slime. The banana slug slime, like all mucus, is technically a liquid crystal, which means it's halfway between a solid and a liquid. This special property allows the slime to be either slippery, helping the slug glide over the rough forest floor, or sticky, helping the banana slug climb trees, stumps, and other tall surfaces. A banana slug using its incredible slime to stick to a tree and glide over the rough surface. For reasons unknown, it's a bit of a tradition to kiss a banana slug. But you should know banana slug slime can make your lips feel numb if you try smooching one. No, kissing a banana slug won't feel like you just got done at the dentist, but you will get a tingly, numb feeling in your lips or tongue. Scientists aren't quite sure what causes the numbing, but it may have something to do with the food slugs eat. Many mushrooms and plants contain toxins, and some of those toxins may be present in the slug's slime, creating the numbing properties. Be warned, if numb lips aren't bad enough, kissing a banana slug will leave a slimy residue on your mouth for many hours after you're done puckering up. Probably not something you should do. That's the end of our story. I hope you learned a lot about this really interesting creature. Now, are you ready to make a snack? All right, my little scientists, we are going to make a snack that's a little sluggish. What you'll need is a banana. I've got 2 bananas because I'm going to show you 2, but all you need is really 1. And then 2 chocolate chips. I have 4 because I'm going to use 2 for this banana and 2 for this banana. So what you'll do first is you'll peel your banana. There's 1. And here's 2. And then you're going to use these little chocolate chips and you're going to stick them here and here. And you have yourself a banana slug. Doesn't it look like a banana slug? And if you want, you can add some antennae using pretzel sticks. Or you can just eat them like this. You don't even need the chocolate chips. Enjoy your snack. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe to support our channel.